Now let's see the another standard continuous time signal, that will be the exponential signal. What will be the plot for the exponential increasing signal and what will be the plot for the exponential decreasing signal, we will get to know. So the notation for the exponential signal will be like this: f of t, that will be equal to e power at for a greater than 0 as well as e power minus at for a less than 0. This will be the notation for the exponential signals. Let's see the plots for this e power at signal. This will be the e power at. The plot will be like this. It will be just increasing up to the infinite. This will be the time period t. Next, if you want to draw the plot for the e power minus at, what will happen? This will be the plot for e power minus at. And here the plot will be like this. Here in this plot it will be come from the somewhere it's around minus infinite value. So there will be some simple questions will be there based on these exponential signals. We will see these questions right now. And one thing you have to write it down here. So this will be the e power at. This is also said to be the exponentially increasing signal. Exponentially increasing signal. And similarly, if you want to draw the e power minus at, this will be the e power minus at. This will be said to be the exponentially decreasing signal. Exponentially decreasing signal. Here you can observe this will be the plus term. For this plus you will get this will be as an increasing function or increasing signal. For this minus notation you will get this will be as an decreasing signal or decreasing function. Now let's see the small questions based on this exponential signal. First question: e power at into u of t. What will happen to the plot if we draw e power at into u of t? For example, you have to see this will be the e power at into u of e power at only. The plot will be like this. What you have to do, you have to multiply it with u of t. What will be the signal for the u of t? The plot will be like this. This will be the time period t, and here this will be the time period t. And here the magnitude be the 1. This will be said to be the u of t. If we multiplied this e power at with u of t, what will happen? The resultant be like this. So here you can observe this will be a 0. There will be no signal will be present here. This will be a 0. If you multiplied 0 with anything, what you will get? You will get the 0. That means here you can't get the any signal. And here, if you can multiply this e power at into u of t. U of t means 1. If you multiply with 1 with any value, you will get that value only. That will be the e power at. Whatever the signal will be present from here to here, you will get that signal reflected back to this here, the output case. This output case, you will get the resultant signal be like this. And here this will be the 0 only. This will be the 0 only. You can't get any signal. Similarly, if you want to solve e power at into u of minus t, what will happen? Let's see. I just want to replace this u of t with u of minus t. What will happen to the plot? So this will be the u of minus t plot. Here u of t means you will get the magnitude be 1 like this in the right hand side. But u of t means you just have to reverse that line up. Where you will get the one line DC constant line here. This will be the reverse operation. Here you will get the magnitude as 1. So similarly, if you multiplied this, what will happen? Here e power at this into u of minus t. Here you can observe there will be no signal will be present here. This will be the 0. 0 into anything, what you will get? You will get the 0. Here, whatever the signal, e power at into u of minus t, whatever the signal present, that will be here, that will be reflected back in the output. Here, the output be this. Next, we will see the another question, that will be the decaying function. Now let's see. So e power minus at into u of t. What will be the plot? Now let's draw this plot. Here this will be the plot for exponentially decreasing signal, e power minus a t. What we have to do? We just have to multiply it with unit step signal. That will be the u of t. This will be the time period t and this will be the time period t. And here you have to multiply it with u of t. What will be the result? Result be like this. So you can apply the before case. This will be the e power minus at into u of t. Here this will be the 0. If you multiplied 0 into anything, you will get the 0 only. And here if you multiplied this signal with unit step signal 1 into anything, you will get that value. So the plot will be like this. This will be the e power minus at into u of t. Now let's see the last question. That will be the if you want to in place of u of t, just replaced with u of minus t. What will happen? This will be the u of minus t. Now this u of t place just replaced with u of minus t. What will happen to the plot? The plot will be look like this. Just reverse it of the u of t. You will get the u of minus t. Resultant plot be like this. This will be the e power minus at into u of minus t. Here there will be a no signal will be present. That will be the here this will be then 0. 0 into anything you will get as an 0. Here 1 into anything you will get this e power at signal. Like this. This was the concept behind the exponential signals and as well as some simple questions based on the exponential signals.